Hi, I'm Suganti. I have completed my content writing course through Henry Harvin. Basically, I'm an entrepreneur settled at Chennai. I have stepped into umpteen number of ventures, and I have literally been through. For 15 years, I have experienced myself as an entrepreneur. Though into business, I had a flair for writing. Everybody will have a flair for writing, speaking, and everything. But to learn that and to implement that, we need to learn certain nuances for that. When I have decided to learn those nuances, I thought and I chose Henry Harvin as an app platform. In that, I literally succeeded, and I literally thank Henry Harvin for their course structure, and especially 𝐬𝐧𝐿, who coped me up literally through the entire course. She has helped me a lot, getting along with my business, personal, family, and etc. Thanks a lot.